Parks Art here, getting into the mode, about to clean some shoes up to show y'all what we do on a daily basis. Is just the grind and the hustle. So this was the shoe before, and then this shows you.
Hit that junk, what?
Look at that thing.
Good gracious. I had a client, he dropped off some heat, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like LV slides, we had to get cleaned. Just a light little scrub, you feel me? Working on some Balenciagas, so we're gonna clean these tonight. We're actually gonna clean these on the live tonight. See how they turn out. So you'll see the whole process. These are drying right now. Obviously yellow, we can fix that. That's $1,000 shoe, guys. Another $1,000 shoe. We got the Rickies. These are all just drying. We already cleaned them all. So just random stuff like that. Beautiful LV trainer. Like I can't even. That's a $3,000 shoe, guys. That's a crazy shoe, guys. That's a $500 shoe right there. Sakai's. You feel me?
This shit's so comfortable.
It's super comfortable. I recommend these shoes to everybody. I have a couple pairs. The Para Air Maxes. But yeah, these are all just drying. We did a bunch of cleaning this morning. We got the Drake Air Force Ones. But yeah, y'all will see all the before and after shots on my Instagram. Make sure to follow Parks Art. And let's get after it.
You make me want to say.
I ain't gonna lie, the bottoms they take the longest for sure. Whew. So guys, these are like a very rare shoe too. Pure Money 4s. I feel like I had these a long time ago.
Hey man, thank you for tuning in and coming to our vlog. We really appreciate you guys' support and your views. Hopefully you come back to the channel. Hopefully whatever we're doing is satisfying to you. This is something fun. And so, you know, we're just putting ourselves out here. So this is for y'all. Peace.
The next day.
You know, we out here. Another day, Parks Art life. Cleaning the whips today. You know.
Show the drip. What you got on today?
Bro, chill. Hey. Cut the cameras, cut the cameras. But nah, we're about to be going live today. Today starts the 3-day series. We're going live 3 days in a row, painting all day, finishing all your custom orders. Thank y'all for the crazy reaction to all the Facebook stuff. Really love you guys, and stay tuned because we're gonna be dropping some cool stuff soon. Always make sure your whip's clean, you feel me? How we doing today? How we doing today?
Jimmy Ostrich.
Yeah, he got
3 payments.
He about to get the oil change fit on.
What's he doing? We just really want to like just show y'all the day in the life of Parks Art. And say hey to the dogs. These doggies. Look at the doggies. Look at the doggies. Look at the doggies. Look at the doggies. Yeah, say hey to them.
You know, like, I do this for like relaxation though. Like I low-key just like clean my car.
It's peaceful.
No, yeah, it's like it's my little escape, you know. I think we're good for today.
Woo-wee. Let me get some close-ups. Come on with it. Look at that valet parking. Woo.
Oh. That's how I'm gonna be whipping tomorrow.
No, you ain't.
Tell them about what we're doing tomorrow.
So we're supposed to be renting. What is it called?
It's called a Vanderhall.
Supposed to rent a Vanderhall.
We're just doing we're gonna be shooting a little promo for them. They offered to let me whip it for a day, and I was like, yeah, I can't pass that up. It's gonna be fun.
Y'all gonna get a kick out of reaction videos for tomorrow.
What's up, guys? Hope y'all are doing great today. This is Parks Art. We are going live on Facebook today. This is gonna be the first of 3 days total series. I'm gonna be going live every day, probably for like 4 to 5 hours a day, working on all y'all's customs, and we're gonna be shipping them out. So y'all enjoy the lives, make sure to interact. This video will probably be up later, but y'all enjoy it, man. Thank y'all for the support. I appreciate y'all.